Would you like to live over here? Yes, it is possible. It is possible. Okay, you can book a room over here and you can stay. This property is used for shootings and all, and if I am not wrong, movie Lutera was shot over here. Some particular scenes of the movie Lutera, Indian movie, it was shot over here, and you can see it is possible in Bengal, like the way they have maintained the property, it is an excellent way of showing and protecting the culture of Bengal. Neat and clean, well maintained. So let me show you around. Just look at it. Just look at it. Don't go by words. Just look at it. And the best part is, you can be a guest over here. You can stay over here. You can book your room, and you can enjoy this beautiful property with Aarti Tours Africa. So there is no reason to delay your booking. Get your booking done. We will book the hotel for you under a special package. The criteria is that there should be minimum 4 person. Okay, a single person cannot come and book. At least 4 people should be there. This is not a scripted video, okay, so whatever is coming in my mind, I'm just sharing my experiences. Excellent, like a different vibe. Even the floor, if you see, even the floor. So I'm sitting here right now, and I had a wonderful experience staying over here, and you can too enjoy this beautiful property. Like, this feeling you will not get in any hotel. It has an altogether different vibe. You can search about it. Details will be mentioned in the caption. You can search about it and explore the place online, and if you want to live and stay and enjoy the moment, you have to come. So see you soon over here.